Hello, Keller Williams Prosperity. This is Matt Billheimer, your Director of Career Development and Technology, and today is day 27 of the 66-day challenge. So really for the last week and a half, we've been going over the Opportunities tab, and we're actually going to shift away from that today and for the foreseeable future, and we're actually going to move into something different. Today we're going to move into a tab that says Local Insights. You can access the Local Insights tab by clicking where it says Local Insights, or you can click the option, and let me go back real quick, but it's on the sidebar here that says Local Insights. So down at the bottom here. So it's the second one from the bottom right there. So you can access it by clicking that button or by clicking Local Insights right there. And as it says Local Insights, flex your hyper-local expertise, share your local insights, and see what others are saying. So Local Insights is an opportunity for you to be able to promote and highlight different businesses or different areas that you really, really like. So for example, if I were to do a search right now, the default is KWRI down in Texas. But if I were to do search for a location, let's say Wayne, New Jersey, let me do a search here. And now when I do a search, it's going to highlight anybody who has added insights in our area. So I can zoom in, I can click on one. So Pico Liquors is on here, Speedy Mart, Dunkin' Donuts, the Packanack Bakery. So anybody who's added an insight will show up in this feed. Now, if you want to add an insight, you can easily click Create New Insight. You can add a location. So let's say I were to do Keller Williams Prosperity. And let's say I were to, name it. I'll just do Keller Williams Prosperity Realty. And then in the category, I could do, let's see what options there are. If I can scroll down. Let me try real estate. Let me see if that's an option. Let's do real estate agency. I could do business. So that doesn't really give me a good result. But you can select what type of categories you want to label it as, and then you can put in details if you want, and then click Save Insight. So I'm not going to save this one because I think someone else has probably already created it. But this is how you would go in if you wanted to recognize, let's say there's a pizzeria that you go to all the time, or if there's a deli, or if there's a park where you like to go hiking. This is where you can add an insight and be able to save that to this Insights tab. So that way anybody that's searching in this area, they will come up. And the reason why it's important to do this, there's a lot of different reasons, but one of the reasons is you can easily share these insights with your clients. So if you have a buyer that is just moving into the area, what better way than to welcome them into the area by saying, hey, here are some areas, or here are some businesses, here are some hiking trails that I personally really enjoy. Let me share them with you. So this way you can go in and see what other people are adding as insights, but also which ones you're able to identify as your insights. That way you're able to share them. So for today, if you could please just go in and look at this tab. Even if you don't want to create an insight today, at least take a screenshot of this page to show that you know where to access it and can add insights at a later date. But if you do create an insight, that would be even better, and take a screenshot of that. And now tomorrow I'm going to show you an even easier way to create an insight using the Kelle app, where, because Kelle is GPS based, you could be standing in front of the pizzeria that you want to add as an insight, and you can then save that directly through Kelle. So this was day 27 of the 66-day challenge. If you could please take that screenshot and send it over to me, that would be great. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a great day.